Hello, Abusiafo. Good afternoon. Saluatus. Buongiorno tutti. Family, I'm tired. Pardon my voice, okay? Menya headache kakra. So what you see going on there? The stress I've been through, and I guys I've gone through. Grammar. This morning, Saturday. And 3rd February. So what happened last week was that my key fell and the blade got detached from the fob. What I say? The because a remote and the open being. Into what I was doing, they say, because I had to go to work I would insert the blade, and then with the help of that hole then like start the car. What I say? That's what I've been doing, even though I contacted my warranty RAC and then and what they told me was that they maybe call garage. So I went there. The man evaluated everything and then said my warranty say because it's not an electrical problem, they don't have to fix it. And I'm like, whoa, guys, I've paid for 2 years and you think my money is gonna go waste? But then it's policy, there isn't much I could do. I kept trying different places to see if they could give me like they could fix it, and then later on probably do a duplicate of it. I mean, when I bought the car, by the way, they gave me one key. Please learn from this. Never buy a car with a key, like only one key, Mr. Ask for the friends say both keys, the spare key, and if they don't have it, insist that there's some sort of discount and reduction, just so you can use that money to duplicate it. If I had done that, I wouldn't have been in this whole mess. Yesterday was very tough. So yesterday, after night shift in the morning, I went to town to Timpson to see if they could fix it. Unfortunately for me, because this type of Ford is a new one, they had to order because they didn't have that available. And they rang the warehouse and it was closed. I've rang them again this morning. They said they're gonna open on Monday. So as I was saying, I rang them, and yesterday they said, oh, actually I went to town, got back, and because I was scared to misplace the blade or maybe lose it, what I was doing was, but when I get home, I would just turn the engine off and leave the blade in. What I say. So unfortunately for me, because I was in a hurry yesterday or I was tired, it wasn't fully off the car. In the afternoon, I came to sleep around 12. In the afternoon, around 3, I decided to go pick up my pretty Alicia. And then only way to put water and oil. Where everything started. The fob wasn't working. I couldn't get into my car. My car. Possessive pronoun. My car. So luckily for me, my brother was around. So we went to pick pretty Alicia with his car. And then I rang the warranty people, the breakdown people. They said they were gonna get here around 7 or 8 in the evening. They couldn't.
It was helpful. Easy. I I don't even park there. I don't know why I parked there. Papa Ibresa, we papa. Hopefully. Uncle ye dear, any ever number for. Emma Sada. God no go shame us. They say me mobile lift TV. Advise yourselves. So I'll keep you updated. Right.
I was young for young Tori, and I Tori. As I was saying, they couldn't. So at at 10, they gave me a call. They rang me and fixed morning appointment for me. Till around 7:30, 7:30 in the morning. The man over there, the gentleman, he's very nice, rang me and I said, oh, I'm around, I'm already awake. So he came over, tried all he could. Oh, somebody's daddy. He tried and tried and tried. Nothing could be done. So he said he had a locksmith friend
Change the battery again.
who could come over. So he arranged, and I no pawi or papa Jimmy £180. Hey, so you see, if I had requested for the spare key or for a reduction when buying the car, I could have used that money to get myself a duplicate. And yeah, easy, Charlie. I go explain tire, but the I no. But finally, I have access to my car. That would be the next video.
Silence is golden. At this point, I don't know what to do. But say, yeah.
So he thought, after he had tried everything, he thought it was an engine problem. So he unscrewed, your friend is saying, certain bolts and nuts. And then I'm holding over there. And when he realized that it wasn't the engine, but it was because I didn't turn off the key, like I didn't turn it properly. And I kind of say, hey, my brain, I didn't turn off the engine properly. It was the blade in it that was left in it. And he had to put the screws back. That's what we were doing. Please let me emphasize on it again. Never buy a car with only one key. What did I say? And if you have two, then make sure say or more discount beer, that money could be used to get a duplicate or a spare key. Because if I had done that, Charlie, it's been hectic this morning. But hey, Pretty Alicia had to skip her performing arts class. I mean, she's so understanding into what I say. I was going to take her anyways on a bus, because there's a direct bus from my flat. But because the goldsmith had to come in, and this man did all he could and couldn't fix it, and I had to cancel it. So I just left a voice message for the school. That's all. Finally, I have access to the car, and that's the good news. God no go shame us. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Why? Like the video. My price I am it is share. So over there, the man was booking appointment for me.
Yeah, he's going to come within the hour. All right. He'll take that cover off the door and he'll slide it inside and pick the lock to open the door.
So,
right.
Will he take the key with him?
No.
That's a different person.
He should be able to make you a new key, but he'll talk to you about it when he's here.
Okay,
right?
that's
but
fine.
if not, at least you're in your car and you can use it. But whenever you switch off, take the key out. I was calling back again. Hello? It's gone again. Right, let's give me these details.
Okay.
So, what we've got there.
So please watch till the end. Why? Me could do watch it. Later.
Lockman, you get that, it's not him. Somebody else. That's it.
Okay.
Keep that.
Okay.
Right, I'll sort you out from here, Bev. Okay. I'll send him your details
Okay.
over.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Bye. So Pretty Alicia is not attending her performing arts class. Besides, I need to get the car fixed before Monday. Monday will be good, right? Guys, it's well. Still, we move. Nothing can kill our joy. Me be didi. And no me watching, okay? Me be di watching. Anopa way. Bye bye. Catch you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share to your friends and family. Before the money home. Have a lovely Saturday. I mean, no breakout today.
Yes.
The mechanic couldn't fix the car, so I've called out a different one.
Yeah.
Next week I'll take you, okay? Where did they cocoa? Debbie. Where did they?
Right there, stop.
Or send you? Who named the time? I'm in her time, I can't tell.
Right there, stop.
9:11 in the morning, no. Betty rice and shit. She turned the head though, Charlie. She turned so awesome. I need monko, please. I need monko so I can make my shrimp powder, homemade one. Abonte den dem nji omundi bi. Chese nwumra kra beda kra o se shito. Hey.
My dad.
Charlie, me da ha me go so me train locksmith no. Omra no meji scares. This guy no obeji. Enjoy the rest of your day. What? Me ka se me twa we nyina amamwa. A bit long. So if I'm able to film or no so the obey locksmith na, then maybe in another video, and just so this one won't be long, too long. What is it? Data protection. Me dream with data. All right, guys. So catch you later. Bye.